Very good morning. Am I audible, right? Mm.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
That's it. Thank you. Today we'll see a simple concept, EBS. I think many people know at least the abbreviation of EBS, right? What is EBS? Anyone try to tell me?
elastic beans,
That is elastic bean stack. That is also good. Elastic block storage. Elastic block storage. File new. One second. We were talking about concept is storage. Yes, storage. Three types of storage is there. Three types of storage. One is the block storage. Second one is file storage. Third one is object storage. You may ask me what are the differences between block storage, file storage, and object storage? Suppose generally block storage is used for installing OS. See, here we are installing OS. Where it will store OS? OS will be installed on the disk. Disk. That disk having block storage. Block storage. It is compared to file, compared to object, performance is more performance. It is block storage. How will we look like? See, this is the disk. Disk internally having like this. Block 1, block 2, block 3 like that. This is the blocks. Here, what is the advantage here? Block size is very small. For example, block size may be, these are the block sizes. See 512 KB. Maybe simply you can say one block is 512 bytes. Second block, suppose if not possible, I'll go for 1024. 1024, 2048, 4096. What are these? My block size may be 512. My block size may be 1024. My block size may be 2048. My block size may be 4096 bytes. That means each block, assume we may take this one. If partition is very less, we go for these types. If partition is somewhat bigger, we go for 4096 bytes. What does it mean? In each block, we may store 4096 characters. Imagine. Suppose 4096, okay, 4097 is there, what happens? Suppose 4097 is there. 4096 here, seventh block here it will store. It will provide link between these two. It will provide link between these two. Like this link happens. See, is the way it happens. Same scenario, it will go for like this. This is the internal nature. See, if you want to remove, we can remove this block, we can attach this. very quicker, very fast access is possible. What is the storage capacity? Generally block size. Minimum is 1 GB. Minimum 1 GB. 1 GAB. According to AWS, GB how they represents 1 GAB. Maximum 16,000 GB. This is the entire question. What is the minimum? What about block storage size? 1 GB. What is the maximum block storage size is 16,000 GB. That means what? 16 TB. 16 TB. Maybe you may consider TAB. TAB. Terabytes. 16 terabytes. Here I hope you got the clarity. What is block size? What is block storage? Block storage is used for where we are using. Here is the volume. VO volume. For volumes, we are using block storage. Generally, for files, we are using file storage. That is EFS. EFS, Elastic File Storage. EFS. Here is NFS, Network File System. Network File System. That is the file storage. Got it all? Block storage is used for volumes. File storage is used for EFS, NFS. Object storage is there. Wonderful one. That is the S3. Simple storage structures. Simple storage structures. That is, we can call it as buckets. Buckets. Here we can store large amounts of data, slow access compared to moderate. Here is the fast access, fast access. I hope somewhat you got the clarity about just what is block storage, how it will be represented. Now our question is how to create a volume, how to create a volume, how to attach a volume. Some technical words I am writing. Step one, create. How to create a volume. Step two, how to attach a volume. Step 3, how to detach a volume. Detach a volume. Step 4, how to mount a volume. Mount a volume. Step 5, how to create a snapshot. Snapshot. Number 6, how to delete a volume. Step 7, how to create a volume from a snapshot. Snapshot. These things we'll discuss one by one. We go for if you want to work with properly. First, directly I am going to the practical session. Then you will get the clarity. Till now, if anybody having any doubt, try to interact with me. Just I'm moving to AWS. Actually, I moved. No, this is AWS. Observe. I'm in Ohio. You know, these are the regions, right? These are the regions. Today we'll see some special things. I'm in Ohio region. Good. Clear filter. Maybe nothing is there. Here is going to EC2. First going to EC2 dashboard. Today we can do multiple practical things. Please try to observe and try to implement as it is. Maybe today itself. Here I'm clicking launch instance first. This one everybody know. Here is I'm using test EBS. Test EBS. Elastic block storage. Elastic block storage. I'm taking just here is free tier eligibility only. Here is create key pair. Test. Test EBS. Test EBS. See, whenever if you click launch instance, instance is launching, automatically one volume got created. We don't know really created or not. We'll know it. Test EBS, test EBS. Here I am clicking this, or otherwise I am going like this. I am going like this. Here, see, I am clicking this one. Here I am clicking just before going to connect. See, somewhere clicking storage. Check it here. Volume ID, some number, unique number, device name. This is the device name. Who generates? It is AWS people, AWS vendor provided like this. AWS generation. Start with DEV device. This is the device. What is the name of the device? XVDA. XVDA is the root volume. What we can call root volume. What is the volume size? 8 GB volume size. What it is doing? Attached status. Attached status. That means attached. It is the attachment type. Not encrypted. Not encrypted. Okay, right. Here is volume got created. How much GB? 8 GB. Who created? At the time of instance creation, volume got created. Till now, everybody know. Assume. What is my intention is, I want to install something in this. Okay, what I will do, I may create one more volume. One more volume. Please observe here. Simply I am clicking here. Am I clicked right? Yes. Am I clicked right? Just. My intention is I want to create one more volume. I want to create one more volume. Select this. Just go for actions. It is modify volume, create snapshot. It is something is there. Even check it, modify volume. Even see what is the size of the module. What is the size of the volume? 8 GB. If you want to increase, we can increase. See, I am going to 10. Assume 10. Here in interview. Can we increase at the time of running? Yes, possible. Now it is running or not. I am clicking modify. Check it. Modify. After modification, check it somewhere where it is. Now just you go to instance. Now just you go to instance. One step back, right? Yes. Am I modified or not? Go one step back. Now see, is it modified or not? Yes, it is modified. Yes, it is modified. We can increase. Even we can decrease also. We can increase, we can decrease. We can increase volume size. See, input output operations per second. IOPS means input output operations per second. Okay, volume got increased. Everything is fine. Now my intention is I want to create a new volume. Yes, create. Here is size is how they provided. GBs. I said right. GB represent GB. What is the minimum? 1 GB. What is the minimum? 1 GB. What is the maximum? 16,000 GB. That means 16 TB. I am taking 2 GB. For our understanding purpose, I am taking 2 TB. Here is the input output operations per second. It is the minimum 100, maximum 3000. Maximum 3000. Simply I am creating a value. Simply I created a volume. See, check it. With the 2 GB volume got created or not. Here it is doing something. Observe here. Volume is creating. Volume is creating. This is the AWS. Fully managed service, fully managed, everything taken care by whom? AWS vendor. Everything taken care by AWS vendor. Till now what happening? I'll show you once again graphically. Please observe, here is creating. My intention is what, in the sense we can understand clearly. See, what I want to do is, this is nothing but assume EC2. This is nothing but EC2. I created one EC2, everybody EC2. Whenever you create, whenever you create EC2, it is automatically going and interacting with one volume. Are you agree with me? Here is the volume assume. Here is the volume. This is the volume. What happening at that time of creating EC2? EC2 is creating. Here is only instance. It is going to create like this, attaching like this. It is attached like this. Till now clear? This is what I did here is created instance, and automatically instance will at the time of creating, which is creating volume got created. Volume. This volume automatically attached or we attach manually? Is the auto attachment. Volume is automatically auto attachment. Attachment. How much GB? How much GB? 10 GB. Default 8 GB created, 10 GB. 10 GB. Here, if I store something, if I type something, suppose I'm using here, your feeling is here we are storing. Actually, we are not storing here. Resume cat, double greater than test I am giving. Here is welcome to volume concept. Volume, volume concept. The data is storing here. That data is storing here. And OS details also storing here. Everything, this total thing is storing into here. This total thing is storing into here. Here it is storing. This total thing storing here. Everything is storing here. Here won't be store anything. Are understanding? This is the way. Our intention, I created one more volume. I created one more volume. Here like this I create. What I am doing? I am attaching this. I am attaching this. Like this I can attach. Yes. Can you attach multiple volumes? Yes. This is one volume. This is another volume. I may go for one more volume. Yes, we can attach. Yes, you can attach. Like this assume we can attach multiple volumes. But one instruction is there. What is that in the sense? Here. Assume this is created in 1A. Maybe assume it is created in. Here is US is to 2, right? 2A. 2A in the sense zone. AG. Availability zone. Here also you must create same zone. This one also you must create same zone. This is also must be in 2A. 2 hyphen A. This is also you must create in 2 hyphen A. 2 hyphen A. This is also you automatically it will create on 2A. Suppose if you are creating one volume in 2C, assume 2C. You are creating one volume. I am giving this like this tag. Is it possible to attach? See, I am trying to attach. I am trying to attach. What happens here in the sense? It won't attach. It is not possible to attach. Not possible to attach. Why? Here it is in 2A. EC2 is created in 2A. You created a volume in 2C. Is it possible to attach? Not possible to attach. This is the standard rule we need to follow. Now we'll see now. See, can I attach it or not? Tell me. Can I attach it or not? See, volume got created with the 2G. Volume got created. Select this. See, first check it. Volume where it is created. Volume where it is created. Respond 2A, right? Volume got created 2A. Volume got created 2A. Check it. Instance where it is created. Instance where it is created. First go to instances. Go to instance section. Dashboard. Check it. Instances are running. This is also where it is. See, it is created availability zone 2C. Check it here. That is got created, I think 2A, right? It is got created 2C. It is created at 2C. Volume got created. Volume got created 2A. Now we'll try to attach. Select this. Select this. Go to actions. Here is the somewhere attach is there. See attach volume. See attach volume. Is it enabled or disabled? Anyone respond? Is it enabled or disabled?
Disabled mode.
Why it is disabled?
I
According
think
to
so.
our theory, what I said, this is created to A. According to our example, to A. This is got created to C. In two different regions, two different availability zones. This is in one availability zone. This is in one availability zone. Not possible to attach. Suppose I am creating one more. One more. What about volume? Different volume I am creating. See, create volume. This is where it is got created. First close this. It is 2G. 2GB, okay. It is once again creating. Okay, 2A. That is in 2C, right? That is in 2C. I go for, I think, check it. 2C, right? This is 2C. Dashboard running. This is in 2C. Remember, US is to 2C. I will also go and create volume. Volume. Go to volume section.
Earlier we have created 10 CB, sir, right?
10 GB
Increasing
size
10 GB.
na. 10 size is different from volume location. Got it or not? Shivshankar, you join now?
Yes, sir, joining.
Wait. Don't disturb. I'm not asking about memory. I'm talking about location. Location. See the location. What I explained. This is generated in 2A. This is also
I
generated in
understand it,
2A.
sir.
Why are you talking about 10 GB?
Earlier we are increasing 10 GB, that is
Okay, I
also
increase.
same.
I
To
didn't
see
talk, right? I
2C
didn't talk.
agents.
I didn't talk with memory, location. I am talking about location. Why you unnecessarily deviating the concept? That is my question. Okay, right. Here my intention is create a volume. Now tell me where you need to create a volume. See, this is the US East 2A. But where is my instance is there?
2C. 2C.
2C. That's why you need to go for 2C. This is the first one. Now, by default, how much GB it is taking? 100. You may ask me, sir, can I take 100? Yes, you can take. You need to pay. Really, if you require, you can go for 1000 also. Really, you require, you can go for 10,000 also. It is the entire question. What is the size of the volume minimum? What is the size of the volume maximum? It is minimum 1 GB, maximum 16,384 GB. Generally, we can call it a 16, what about 16,000 or maybe 16 TB, 16 TB. Here our intention again I am taking 2 only because of we need to pay, right? This one is clear, right? 2C I got within 2C I am creating how much size? 2 GB size. 2 GB size. I am taking less GB. Now click create. It will take for at least 1 or 2 minutes. What is the latest one? This one. Here is. What is the time now? Just got created, right? This is the 2C we got created. 2C. It is creating. I am giving the name for that. I am giving the name for that 2 GB for easy understanding. New volume, new volume, new volume. Can I click save? It is taking time for, see, it is creating. Okay, it is creating. That is not a problem. I am trying to attach. I am trying to attach. Even sometimes after creation only possible to attach. Otherwise, we'll try it. See, attach volume is not showing. After creation, it will show. Refresh it. I think till now anybody having any doubt? Tell me. When we can attach? If both are in same region. If both are in same region. Here according to our example, where it is got created? 2C. I am taking according to our their example, their implementation. Our EC2 got created at 2C. I created volume also in 2C. That size is only 2G. Size is 2G. We're having a doubt. Why should we go and create? That is our problem, right? Why are you attaching? Why are already default volume got created? Here from 8 to 10, 10 to 100, 100 to 10,000. We can increase. Possible. But why are you creating additional volume? If you want to increase the size, here is increasing. And also, if additionally you want to increase, see, my intention, I want to install OS here. I want to install OS here. I want to store my data here. Here OS, only data, only data. Data in the sense applications and data I want to install. For example, your OS got created. I'm installing Jenkins, assume Jenkins. I'm creating a job where it want to create job will be available here. That is my intention. See, here Jenkins is there. Jenkins server is there. If I create any job in Jenkins server where I need to store within, I need to store within additional volume. You may ask me, sir, what is the advantage here? Unfortunately, this OS got corrupted. This PEM file is not available. I'm not able to enter into this instance. What is my intention? I want to detach this one. I will go and attach to someone. I will attach to someone. There I can get my job. That is my intention. See, external hard disk. What is the advantage of external hard disk? I can attach to any computer. What is the drawback in internal hard disk? I need to open cabinet. I need to remove screws. Then I'll go and attach to some other. There is also possible. Here also we can attach. Here also we can detach. We can attach to some other. But this is easy, right? Just like a case with the external hard disk. Simply attaching, required files are storing and detaching and moving to some other disk. I hope you got it. This is the additional volume. This is the default volume. Default volume. In default volumes, we are installing applications. Applications. In additional volumes, we are storing appropriate data. Appropriate data. That data we are moving to some other location. That data we are moving to some other location. Now observe here. I think is it ready or not? Observe. The name is new value. Now check it. Available. Available. Okay, good. Here after available, what is my intention? Selecting this actions. Now see attach value. Attach value. Even we can check one more one previous is there. Previous. One more one. See this one is also 2 GB. Again I am selecting this. I am trying to actions. See, not showing attached because of there is no such instance. There is no such instance because of both will create in same AG, same availability zone, same data center. Now I am choosing this one. Go to new value. There attach value. Attach value. Attaching to whom? Instance. Which instance? They are stopped instance, they are running instance. Stopped instance or running instance. Here I didn't run till now, right? Here is the what is the name of that? UB. One instance is running, right?
Let's please scroll down, sir.
No, here is there. Here is there. Running. Yes. Here.
Below.
Test EBS. I'm selecting this. See, one more thing you need to remember. Default volume with A. This is the additional volume. DEV, SDM. System will generate. Don't disturb these names. Don't disturb these names. I hope you got the clarity. Attached. You may ask, sir, can I see attached volume? Yes, you can see. Go to dashboard. Go to instances running. Click on that. Just here see storage. Now check it here. Till now clear or not? Freshers? Seniors know this one. Freshers, you need to know by default got created with 8 GB. What I did, if you want, you can extend default volume name end with A, default volume name end with A. Additional volumes maybe end with other than A. I may not say only F. I may not say only F. Maybe based on what about OS? Ubuntu will take some name, Linux will take some other name, like that. Anyway, default is end with A, non-default end with other than A, other than A. Till now everybody got it. Now what I will do is I'll go and install Jenkins server in this. My intention is server is available here, but server content I need to store here. I need to store here. What happening? How to do it? We'll see. Now you know how to connect to this. Before going to connect, okay, first before going to connect, I'll go for the what about security, right? Security by default already there. Just I go for where is that? Okay, click on security group, check it here. Inbound rules. Now yesterday we discussed, right? Yesterday we discussed firewall. Firewall is nothing but security group. Here edit inbound rules. I said ingress. Inbound means incoming request. I need to configure. Suppose everybody know Jenkins port number. Jenkins port number. I'm taking TCP. Here is the Jenkins port number is 8080. 8080. Here I'm taking anywhere IP port. I'm specifying only Jenkins server only can interact with our instance. Our is Jenkins server only you can access. You can work with because the port number is 8080. Now till now clear. Just we go for EC2 instances connecting this. Windows key down. Even I'm not going root. Without going root, how to do everything we'll see now today. I'm increasing. Here is control L. Now it is install Jenkins, install, or Jenkins install. Jenkins in Linux Jenkins. See, simply I'm selecting Red Hat. Red Hat. Here everything is there simply. But even though you provided everything properly, you may face some problem. How to rectify? I'll tell you. Paste it. Your feeling is everything is fine. Just yes. Again, I am clicking yes. I copy pasted all the commands. This one already know. Even freshers also. What is this? Sudo. Sudo means super user. Wget means webget. Webget. We're getting the link file. Just Jenkins is there. It is downloading. Through webget, we are downloading. Sudo. Red Hat Package Manager. See, they given the name itself importing. Sudo m. Update means upgrade. M means package manager. M means package manager. You are installing Java 11, installing Jenkins. Your systemctl daemon reload. Daemon means background process we are reloading. Even though everything is fine, observe here Java hyphen hyphen version. Java hyphen hyphen version. Java is not installed. What does it mean? This command is not worked properly. Just copy this based on your trial and error based only you can know. Otherwise, you may feel, okay, I installed everything, sir, but my system is not. System is giving Java 11 OpenJDK is available in Amazon Linux extra topic. Extra topic. This is Amazon Linux extras install Java OpenJDK 11. You copy this. As a professional, as a DevOps engineer, you need to know this. Paste it. Here you need to apply common sense. We need to give commands that is working or not. If not working, we'll go and copy proper command, try to paste it. Now Java hyphen hyphen version. Now version is okay. Version is okay. Now Jenkins is working or not, check it. Now, actually after installing Java, what will you do? You need to install. You need to install. Copy this, just paste it. Just paste. Now see, Jenkins is properly configured. Sudo system ctl status Jenkins. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. That is in get state. That means stopped. You know how to start, right? Just apply simply in place of status start start. Okay, good. It is started. If you use start command, automatically it will start. It is internally running. It is keep on blinking means doing something. You know the word work in progress. Work in progress. WPS. Here it is started. You need to know really it is started or not. Status check it. Now this is an active state. That means it is running. Next, what is the next step? Just go to instance level. Go to instance level. Where is our instance? Yes. Copy the copy the public IP instances. There select your instance. Select your instance. Their public IP is there. Copy this IP. Go to new tab. Just paste it over here. Apply. You know the port number. What is the port number for Jenkins? 8080. Now observe here, everything this is also installing in root volume. This is also installing in root volume. Copy this, copy this. What I am doing, you can get the clarity. I am going to here cat sudo cat. I am copying that path. That path. Am I getting password or not? Double tap, right click, copy it and paste it over here administrator password. Continue. Maybe save or not save. Here is within a minute it will complete based on your internet speed. Sometimes it may take 20 minutes also, but here within a minute it will complete. See, here I am giving admin for your understanding. Admin, we can give any name, that is not a rule, but the standard rule is admin only. Maybe anyone give it. This is okay. See, finish. Till now, everybody know what happening. Just I install Jenkins. I install Jenkins. I am creating a new job, new item, new item. What is my job? Maybe what about EBS first job? EBS first job. Freestyle. Click OK. Till now, no. Even everybody know how to use Git. How to use Git? Just going there, clicking on Git, github.com, github.com. Just we are taking Maven project. They are copying URL. Just before copying, you need to check on which branch it got created, on which branch were created this project. That is the main project. Going to here, you know it. If I paste here, just freshers observe what happens. This is the first one. Their configure not properly pasted. Git okay. See, fresh seniors know very well. Git command error performing git command git ls remote -h something error it is showing. That means whenever this failed to connect to repository, the name giving failed to connect to repository. That what does it mean? Here Git is not installed. Git is not installed. What shall we do? We should go to prompt level. Go to prompt level. Sudo just yum install git hyphen y. That's all. Git hyphen y. Here git is okay. After installing it, click here. It won't do anything because of browser doesn't know what happened there. When browser can recognize us if you reload it. If you reload it. If you reload it. See, after reloading, is there any error? Please respond, freshers. After reloading, is there any error? No. Why? That is got installed. That is mapping with this. Okay. This is understanding. Oh, Git is there. Why should I provide error? Everything is fine. Now simply I am saving for our understanding purpose. I am not taking Jenkins class. I am doing Jenkins activity here. Just click on build now. Click on build now. Giving an error, right? There, I said right. We did a small mistake. What is the mistake? I explained to you. Here everything is okay. What is the branch name? What is the branch name? There I said right. You need to check at the time of copying main branch. Save this. Just build now. Just build now. Now we got the tick mark means build success. Build success. Now till now everything is okay. But what I want to do, I am coming to here. First command I am using lsblk. lsblk. The name see elastic block. The name elastic block. Elastic means ls. blk means block. EBS means elastic block. This is the first command. What it is showing? Hey, just you are having one is 10 GB, right? 10 GB or 8 GB? 10 GB hard disk. 10 GB hard disk. Here is some extra is there. Some extra is there. 10 G disk. Here is only this is the partition root it is showing. This is the extra partition. What is the extra volume you added? 2 GB. Extra volume 2 GB. You mounted. What about you attached? Till now you didn't mount. Till now you didn't mount. Before mounting, you need to format. See, empty hard disk you bought or you are bringing. You are having one empty hard disk. What is your intention? You want to add something that won't accept. What will you do? First, you need to format. You need to format. How to format? How to format? See, the command is for formatting MKFS. What does it mean? Make file system. MKFS means make file system. What is ext? See, from 1960s to till today, ext1, ext2, ext3, ext4. Here is the extended. Exe means extended. 4. We are using what about version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4. Are you understanding? I am using MKFS, make file system. Which type of extensions I am using? Extension 4. Maybe then I will give the drive name. You know it here. Sudo, I want to apply MKFS ext4. See, check it. Sudo, you know it. Sudo, you know it. MKFS, make file system. ext4, extended 4. What is the drive name? What about additional drive? Tell me 2 GB. What is the drive name? XVDF. First slash dev device. What is the name of that? XVDF. Shall I press enter? Yes. Your file system got created. One file system is created. You need to mount. Mount means attach. Mount means attach. That means accessible. Communication happens. Attachment means only attached. There is no communication between. If you want to provide communication, you need to mount. Mount means communication happens. MOUNT. Mount. Sudo mount. Which one you want to mount? This one. To whom you want to mount? See, what is the Jenkins file system path? It is where lib Jenkins. Yeah, Jenkins root volume, Jenkins home directory, I'm attaching to whom? I'm mounting this varlib Jenkins to whom? DEV. Where you want to configure this? Where you are mounting within the device, within that name. I'm pressing enter. You may ask me, sir, how can I see is it really mounted or not? Cat, cat. You see the for that command also the cat proc mounts. See cat slash proc mounts. Now check it. Now check it. Your device is mounted or not? DEV, XVDF, varlib Jenkins, varlib Jenkins, varlib Jenkins. Till now clear? Here by default, root volume for root volume is mounted. Now I mounted to external volume, additional volume, additional volume. Now you try for second job. Now you try for second job. Before going to this, just I am going to here. Just I am refreshing. Now I am creating job. Here is second job. Dashboard, dashboard. Even I'm creating one more job. New item. Maybe EBS. Second job. Second job. Freestyle. Click OK. What is the problem here? Anyone respond? What is the problem here? You mounted to another, right? You mounted to another. A problem occurs while processing. While processing. First, you need to go here. Enter. Again, you try it. That is the volume. What about Jenkins? Jenkins root path is configured to some other drive, some other drive. That is the problem here. New item. Okay. Here I'm trying to create second job, second or EBS second, EBS second job. Not possible. Why not possible? That is mounted. That is mounted to some other value. What I will do if really you want to access again here what I will do I may unmount. First I'll unmount. Here is how to unmount. Just go for just U. Before mount, if you use U means unmount. Don't use UN. Don't use UN. Just apply U mount. U mount means unmount. Now you check it really unmounted or not. It is a cat PROC mounts. Now see here nothing is visible means that is unmounted. After unmounting, I'm going to refresh. I'm going to refresh. Just refresh it. Continue it. Now I am trying to create second job. Second job. See, second job got created or not, check it. EBS, second job is created. I am creating second job also. Here is also I think copy paste. No, nothing is there here. You know how to get that. Or otherwise, okay, I'll copy one job only. This one only. Copy this. Paste it. The name itself I'm changing here. What is the branch name? Main. Now till now how many jobs are there? Two jobs. Even we are trying to build now. It is also succeeded. Till now everybody got the clarity. Everybody got the clarity. Where it is created everything. Where it is created everything on the default volume, root volume, default volume or root volume. But my intention is I want to do everything. I want to do everything in where? In additional volume. In additional volume. First of all, what I will do? First, I will mount on the additional volume. I am mounting. You know what I did? Just I am mounting this one. Not mounted. Why not mounted? Sudo unmount I am applying, right? I want to apply mount. Now observe carefully. It is mounted. After mounting, what I will do? First, I will go to here. First, sudo system sudo sudo systemctl restart Jenkins. Observe carefully what I am doing. Is it restarted? Jenkins dot service is failed. Systemctl status. I'll try like that. Any spelling mistake? No, right? SYSTM system CTL restart Jenkins. First, what I will do is systems sudo systemctl enable Jenkins Jenkins. After enable, what I want to do, I'll try to restart. I'll try. First, I'll check the status. STATS. Next, failed, right? Now I'll go for restart, restart, restart. What happening? System CTL status Jenkins.io. Copy it. Copy it. Failed to start Jenkins. Failed to start Jenkins. Why that is mounted to another drive. Mounted to another drive. I can apply once again same commands. What happening? We'll check it. Copy this. Paste it. Because of that is mounted to another drive, right? Mounted to another drive. Here we need to check Java hyphen version once again. Version. Now everything is fine. Even we need to check Jenkins is installed or not. Two ways we can check. First, sudo system ctl status Jenkins. That is in failed state. That's why I am trying to paste that command. Sudo yum install. Yes. Here is sudo systemctl start Jenkins will work. Start Jenkins. What is the problem? Job for Jenkins.service failed because the control process exited with error code systemctl status Jenkins.service. It will provide an error. The cause of the error. Try to understand the cause of the error. The result is failed until Jenkins.service has failed. Jenkins.service has failed. Systemd. Systemd. What I need to apply? This one. Copy this. Q control V. After that, we'll try it. Systemctl. Even we can apply. Same error or different error. Same error. The result is failed only. Q start Jenkins. No. Step. No, everything is fine. Sudo systemctl Jenkins. Since user bin Jenkins code exited. Status 1 failed. Status 1 failed. Here, what is the problem here? Whenever I changed my path, automatically I got a problem. But generally, we won't get problem. Generally, we won't get. Okay, I'll change here the path. Here is, sudo mount. Actually, mounted, right? Cat, cat, proc, erase, mounts. Mounts. It is mounted. I'll try to unmount first. Unmount. Cat, unmount, umount. What is the file system? /dev /xvdf space varlib Jenkins. First, I'll try it here. Is a directory. Permission denied. I
And
didn't
sudo.
apply sudo. Okay. After that, we'll check it. Here is systemctl, status Jenkins. Even here also failed, right? Failed. Start. Okay, no properly, I think started. Here is observe status. Okay, now it is running. This is the actual small problem is there. Okay, tomorrow we'll do same procedure. Whatever today I said, actually it will work. First, I am concluding that concept. Will enhance tomorrow. Tomorrow, even Sunday, right? Tomorrow class is there tomorrow morning. Just I am going to MS Paint. Where is MS Paint? MS Paint, am I close? No, right? Windows key or MS Paint. Here, what is my intention? I created one instance. Automatically, one volume got attached. Assume this is the volume. Volume got attached. My intention is I install Jenkins here. I install Jenkins here. Okay, Jenkins. My jobs I want to store somewhere else. My jobs I want to store here. I am storing my jobs here. That is the job one, like that job. This is my intention. Job one, assume job two. Yes, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. In future, what I will do here is I attach it like this. This one is also attached. In future, I will detach this. I will attach to assume tomorrow our concept is one more instance I will create. You may ask me, sir, will you create within the same region or different region? Assume this is in US East 2. I need to create AP South. AP South 1. In AP South 1, I am creating an instance. This instance also having one volume. Default one. Default one. This is the okay. Yes, see, I'm installing Jenkins here. Assume I'm installing Jenkins. Whenever I am taking this volume, volume cannot directly move from one region to another region. Not possible. What I will do tomorrow? I'll create one snapshot. Snapshot. Here, by using this volume, I'm creating snapshot. By using this snapshot, I'm copying into AP South 1. Here you may get one snapshot. Snapshot. From this snapshot, I'm creating a volume. I'm creating a volume. This volume I'm attaching to this. This is my intention. Once if I attach, how many jobs are there? Job 1, job 2. Automatically I can get here. Job 1, job 2. What is the advantage? I can reduce the burden. I can easily access existing jobs. Here we are doing small jobs. In company jobs, it may be having 1,000 lines, it may be having 10,000 lines. Maybe it may be run 1 hour, 2 hours also. Those many jobs. Manually, we may not copy paste. Manually, we may not copy paste. Even if you want to use SCP command also, very complex to use SCP command. You know SCP, SCP, secure copy is there but complex. But here, very simple concept. First, creating volume. From that volume, we are creating snapshot. What is the snapshot? Simply we can say backup. Simply we can say backup. From this backup, we are copying this, moving to some other region. In that I am creating volume. That volume is attaching. There I can access, I can execute my job. This total tomorrow or task. Maybe it may take 1 hour or it may take 2 hours. Once after completion of this task only, I may leave you tomorrow. Tomorrow, I may start it maybe as usual. What about 7 o'clock? It may be up to 8:30 also, may be possible. Thank you for 1.5. If any doubt is there till now, you can ask. Here, once if I attach it to another, automatic it will work, but that is giving an error. I'll check it. Yesterday I did 2 times. 2 times got worked properly. This is the third time maybe giving some error. Somewhere something I did something, but I'll do. Even I may do these steps also, but sometimes not necessary. Maybe if I may do, it may work properly. See, I'm giving change mode, right? Change mode permissions, and because of mode is changed, right? Somewhere it is created. I need to give this one also, but I didn't apply. We'll check it. If not possible tomorrow, I may apply these 2 steps also. Okay, thank you. Remaining things we'll discuss tomorrow.